Hi there, I'm Oluwakemi. I create educational videos for both students and teachers, as well as some other helpful do-it-yourself videos. And if you are watching my video for the first time, please leave a comment below, share and like, and please do click on the red subscription button. Thank you for watching. Enjoy and be educated. Hi, I'm Oluwakemi. I'm glad to have you here again. This is JAMB Biology 2017, and the question goes thus. The major characteristic of freshwater habitat is the possession of. First, let's get to talk about freshwater habitat. The freshwater habitat is a body of water that is formed mainly from inland waters which contain low level of salinity. Alright, examples of fresh water include rivers, ponds, streams, springs, and lakes. Okay, good. So now let's take a look at the given option. Option A, high turbidity. Turbidity is the cloudiness or haziness of a fluid caused by a large number of individual particles that are generally invisible to the naked eye, similar to the smoke in air. Okay, good. So this is not a major characteristic of freshwater habitat. So this answer option is wrong. Option B, high density. When salt is dissolved in water, as it is in ocean water, that dissolves salt adds to the mass of the water and makes the water denser than it would be without salt. Okay, so this is not a major characteristic of fresh water. Okay, so this answer option is wrong. Let's see option C, low salinity. Freshwater habitat normally contain very low level of salt. It has about 0.5% of salt compared to the 3.5% for seawater. So this is a major characteristic of freshwater habitat. But let's look at the last option before we conclude on this. High current. A current in a river or stream is the flow of water that is influenced by gravity as the water moves downhill to reduce its potential energy. So current is not a major characteristic of freshwater habitat. Okay, so the answer option C, low salinity, is the major characteristics of freshwater habitat. Okay, good. So the answer option is C. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.